I'm about 20 minutes outside of Hanoi, and today I'm taking a market tour. My guide got me a wonderful hat to brave this weather, and we're gonna learn how to make lunch. Everyone should do something like this when they travel. Our guide brought us hats. She said today is market day, so it's a little bit more bustling than usual, but that apparently they start around 1 to 3 or 5 a.m. I think, where the farmers are starting to bring their vegetables out. Just crazy. It's literally the middle of the night. So they get the cats to catch the mice at home, and the dogs are to help look after the home. Is this lime or is this like kumquat? Lime. They use lime to help minimize the fish smell and to help clean it after they have like scaled it and stuff. Really, it smells great. You don't smell fresh fish or anything like that at all. So this is burned for offerings. We have incense and then some fake money to have for your offering. Peanuts, mung bean, sticky rice, and then up here is the dried apple. Brown sugar.
Yeah, we cook from sugar cane.
Oh wow! Those are brown sugar. Those like cubes, and these are all snacks. What's the difference between the young and old bamboo then?
The young one is cheaper and grows faster, so you often use to tie something fast and easy.
Fast and easy.
But for the old one like this, you can use the old bamboo and you can keep for 40 years.
Wow!
One side with a 50 kilogram and behind 50.
Wow! So the market has fresh meat every day and closes by around 11 a.m. And it's kind of divided by like what cuts of meat you want. So she was saying that down here there's better cuts of meat. You're heading to the farm. It is time to learn how to make lunch.
For the purple parilla.
Parilla, yeah, we had some yesterday. Oh, it smells so good.
It's a lemon mint.
Lemon mint. Oh, it's so refreshing.
Yeah.
It's so bright.
And inside there we have some mint. Coriander.
What are the bags on the tree?
This is a guava.
Oh, guava.
Yeah.
Oh, why do they put bags on them?
We protect it from the bugs, worm.
Oh, and worms. Oh.
So this is a small guava fruit, like this one. You see?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then we grab it inside the bag like this. And when it turns to bigger, it will be right inside.
Oh, so it protects it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like that color. Oh, wow. All the slipping and sliding is worth it for some fresh fruit. Her family garden is all the way down there with the bamboo sticks. She said they're currently growing broccoli, and then the bamboo is for string beans and eventually cucumbers.
Squash loofah in the middle.
100% worth it. This is absolutely unreal.
When we cook the soup, fish soup, Thai basil.
Thai basil. Oh, yeah.
Basil.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh. What is it called?
Buttergot.
Buttergot? Is it like squash? So they actually cook the cabbage down and they like feed the pig like fresh food that's been grown and processed. Wow.
About 35 to 40 piggies.
Wow. So yeah, they need all that cabbage to eat.
Because I grew up on the farm. So
Yeah.
I used to with the good food already.
Yeah.
So when I try
So
to
then you go
buy
into the city and you're like, this isn't good. This isn't homegrown. That's so much care for the animals, you know, to go in through that effort to carry it over and cook it down.
Yes.
But that's why the meat is so good. This has been an incredible experience so far, just being able to walk around and really see where the food is made and understand the whole process of it and literally pick some of lunch. I'm just so excited to learn about all the cooking and learn more about our guide. Kumquat flowers, my new favorite. Well, it's been my favorite. Calamansi kumquat, so good. Gotta clean our shoes. One of us was a little more slidey than the other.
side yard.
Starting with some tea. Oh, it's delicious. Tofu, green onion. I think there's lemongrass in there, some herbs, lettuce, our chicken, sweet potato, a green mango, right?
It's a green mango, yes.
So is that like a less ripe mango? Is that what green mango is?
Yes, green mango just means it's still young. When
Oh, it's
you wait
young.
more time, it will ripe and soft and sweet.
Oh.
When it's green, it will be crunchy and a little bit sour.
Oh,
That's
so
why
crunchy
we
and
use-
sour. Yeah.
That's what we use for make the salad. When it ripe, it's too soft already. You try it.
Oh, try it. It's got a crunch to it, but it's still like bright.
Yeah. It's like the steak. You mean?
Oh.
So it's easy to cut.
So this top, that was at the top,
Yeah.
I made it sweeter. Oh yeah, it's much sweeter. You can taste the difference.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a mango salad.
So soft.
Yeah, very soft.
Oh, this one.
Oh yeah, it comes right off. You sliced it down the middle like this.
Yes. Coriander, cilantro.
Yeah, so many herbs. All the herbs, they smell so good. Oh, so the lemon leaf goes on the chicken.
Yeah, to make a flavor.
So is lemon leaf literally the leaf of like a lemon, or is yeah?
I have a
Oh.
lemon tree outside.
Oh.
You see some chef they grate the skin of the lemon.
Yes.
Yeah, because the skin has different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah. But this is sturdier, it's stronger, so this will.
A little bit. You can smell it.
Yeah.
You can, smell, you can pick up some to smell. Flavor it's different with the lemon.
Oh yeah, it is a little different. It's a little earthier, yeah.
This one,
You smell it? Yeah.
the bone of the chicken, I can put back to the pot to make the broth.
To make the
Yeah.
broth. Second kitchen. So sugar and then rice vinegar to balance
How much
it.
do you for decoration?
So chili, garlic, and carrot. The carrots for decoration, that makes sense. So you took some of the sauce, put that in there, added a little more vinegar, and then sugar. Yeah, I'll mix. You said your chopstick skills are better than mine.
Oh, I know.
I do like the mix. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I try it? I taste it? You try it, I think it's so good. Wow.
That's-
Yeah. Try carrot.
Peanuts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Then I put some.
Lemon mint, and coriander. Was it just water or was there anything else in the... Just water to soften it? Yeah, wheat flour it says. Oh no, not like a panko. It's like a fry mix. Mix, Bri.
See the bubble?
Yeah, see the bubbles? And so you know it's ready, it's hot. Oh, so you like put it in the spoon. I was wondering how they were gonna form into cakes.
Dump it in?
Yeah,
Put it right there.
Okay.
So she'll take one and then she'll, get it in the batter and then,
Ah,
that's so cool.
how much? Too much?
Too much. It's a little harder with the cooking chopsticks.
Yeah. And you dip it like this. Here,
She'll put some more on top.
like this. Need a little
So you
more.
get some juice from in here and you pour it on top. Oh, and then dip it in.
That's good.
Yeah, now I got it. Okay. And then we lay it down. Oh, I use
Push
the...
it.
Make it flat a little bit.
So you're taking the crispy fried duck skin and putting it in the bowl so that we can use the oil. Let me try the duck skin. Oh my gosh, Brian, it's so good.
Crispy.
It almost tastes like butter because it's like so, melts in your mouth. This has been a phenomenal experience so far. Without words, but if you couldn't tell, everyone should do something like this when they travel. But you see, it's like buttery but crunchy.
Garlic, shallot.
Our shrimp cakes go in here, garlic and onion, and then our actual duck being marinated right now. And cut some green onions. Strain the oil so you can still reuse it. Oh.
So these
And
are
then,
bowls.
yeah, these are our bowls for
And then a lot
soup.
of herbs.
Yeah. Probably a little more chicken in that one. And then some herbs, a lot of herbs. Mix in the tofu. A little Thai chili. Let's try it.
Just a little.
Okay, we'll do half now. That's insane. Oh, wow. The lemongrass is so potent. We're gonna make that at home. Got the tofu, we got the chicken, the shrimp cake, tofu we didn't use. Oh, this one's hotter, to fry the duck.
This is super flame.
Super flame. So the onion makes the duck tender, but with the tofu, it's too much. Yeah. Yeah, it won't make it, it'll,
That makes sense.
So you take the spoon, you take the lime, and you squeeze the juice, and then you use the lime to make sure you don't get the seeds. Thank you, this has been wonderful. Wow.
Really good.
Oh my gosh. That broth is phenomenal. This is absolutely incredible. And you're a part of every step of the process. And you like truly learn how to make it. So you can take this home and like be nostalgic of times, you know, where you've traveled and what you've learned. The broth is so light. Okay, so let's grab a piece of lettuce. This one. Okay. Dip in the fish sauce. Wow. Oh, it's so good. Wow, delicious. You taste the difference when it's homemade. I love that it's wrapped in the vegetables because it like, even though it's fried, it still tastes so light. Okay, so it's a little rice. Tofu on top. Take pieces for now. So good.
Flavor soaked up into it.
Yeah, it soaked up the flavor perfectly. Wow. What is your favorite meal? What do you like to cook and what do you like to eat?
I love the soup.
Soup?
That we have chicken soup,
Yeah.
or beef, or fish, or crab.
Yeah.
It's so smart to just throw it in the steam.
The guava first, and then the
Okay.
This is the guava that we picked on our walk when I was slipping and sliding. It's like a pear, but a different, I don't know what the flavor is to me.
a little bit like pear and apple.
Pear and apple, that's what it is, pear and apple. I liked everything. There was not a single thing, I mean, I would have finished it all if I had the space. A local donut. It's like mochi. It is dense. Wow. I thought it was mochi, like, but it's a similar texture because of the sticky rice.
Yeah.
We just finished up one of my favorite experiences that we've had in Vietnam thus far. It was absolutely incredible to go to the market, see where the food is sold, see how people live every single day, and then go to the family farm of our guide and then have her invite us into her home with the food that we were able to see, you know, in the garden, and then go and cook it and learn how to cook it and learn so much about her culture and everything. Just, I have so little words to say because it was just an absolutely wonderful experience. And if you also want to experience this, I will have it linked down below for you to be able to book this when you come to Vietnam. And again, this is right outside of Hanoi, so make sure you come to Hanoi if you want to experience the day that I had today. Or wherever you're traveling to, seek out an experience like this where you can really learn about the food, learn about the people, learn about the culture, and really feel like you're traveling and in experiencing a place to its truest, authentic form. Also, if you really enjoyed this video or any of my videos, be sure to check out any of my other Vietnam content and subscribe if you're interested and you like travel and food and all those kinds of things. Thanks so much. Thank you. Bye for now. Oh, I still don't have a sign off. See you later, alligator.